Okay, so when you go through the case, I want you to identify what data do you have that is pertinent to the case. So this is step two. You don't have to write this down so you can turn it in, but we will be meeting in groups. I'm going to give you a limited amount of time, so it's best if you have your notes available, maybe put them on index card or highlight it in the book around what data they present to you that's pertinent to the case, separating that from some of the irrelevant things. Is there data that the case doesn't give you? So that if you had, you'd be able to make a better decision. Can that data be obtained? And so if it can't be, and it can't because this is just a case, you don't make it up. You just make your decision within the constraints of the information that you have. This is a very good exercise to do because, contrary to popular belief, when you become a manager, you will never have perfect information. And a lot of times, if you wait until you have perfect information, the time has passed. And so this would be a good exercise in terms of how to make decisions, how to form a strategy without having perfect information. Again, so think about what data you have, what data is pertinent, and then what data is missing. That's step two.